Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 14, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayon June 14, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, June 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 14, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 132 million pesos for Friday, June 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 14, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.